Drink bay leaf tea every day and see what happens to your body. 14 proven benefits. Have you ever wondered what happens when you drink bay leaf tea every day? Below, we'll explore the scientific benefits of this ancient plant and discuss possible risks as well. Discover how bay leaves can improve your health and learn how to prepare the tea effectively. 1. Improves digestion. Bay leaf tea can help improve digestion. The leaves contain eugenol, a compound with carminative effects that relieve gas and reduce bloating. Additionally, eugenol stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, making digestion more efficient. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves can also help soothe irritations in the digestive system. 2. Strengthens the immune system. If you suffer from frequent infections, bay leaves can be beneficial. Rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, zinc, and potassium, they help strengthen the immune system. Studies show that bay leaves have antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal effects and act as a prebiotic, promoting gut health and consequently immunity. 3. Calming effect. Bay leaves contain linalool, which has relaxing properties. The aroma of bay leaves can relieve stress and anxiety and is used in aromatherapy to promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. Essential bay leaf oil in diffusers or compresses can be an excellent way to enjoy these benefits. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. The eugenol present in bay leaves has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It combats free radicals that cause cellular damage and can lead to premature aging and various diseases. Additionally, bay leaves help modulate the body's inflammatory response, making them useful for those who suffer from joint pain and chronic inflammation. 5. Relief of respiratory problems. Inhalations with bay leaf tea or essential oil can help alleviate respiratory symptoms such as nasal congestion and cough. Bay leaves have decongestant and expectorant properties that help thin mucus and provide relief for people with respiratory issues. 6. Blood sugar regulation studies indicate that bay leaves can help regulate blood sugar levels, benefiting people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Consuming 3 g of powdered bay leaves daily can significantly reduce glucose, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels while increasing good cholesterol. 7. Cardiovascular benefits. Bay leaves have antioxidant properties that protect the cardiovascular system, reducing inflammation and the progression of atherosclerosis. They contain caffeic acid, which improves cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and coumarins, which have anticoagulant properties, aiding in heart protection. 8. Relief from menstrual cramps. Bay leaf tea can help relieve menstrual cramps due to its antispasmodic properties. Drinking the tea during the menstrual period can help relax uterine muscles, reducing pain and discomfort associated with cramps. 9. Liver detoxification. Bay leaf tea can assist in liver detoxification by helping to eliminate toxins and improve liver function. The compounds present in bay leaves stimulate the production of enzymes that aid in liver cleansing, promoting overall liver health. 10. Improved blood circulation. Consuming bay leaf tea can improve blood circulation. The nutrients and bioactive compounds in bay leaves help dilate blood vessels, enhancing blood flow and contributing to cardiovascular health. Certainly, here are the benefits of bay leaf tea that were not previously mentioned. 11. Improved hair. Bay leaf tea can promote hair health. The antimicrobial properties of bay leaves can help treat dandruff and scalp infections. Rinsing hair with bay leaf tea can also strengthen hair follicles and reduce hair fall. 12. Enhanced cognitive function. Antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in bay leaf tea can improve cognitive function. Regular consumption may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, enhancing memory and concentration. 13. Skin benefits. Bay leaf tea can benefit the skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can aid in treating acne and other skin infections. Applying bay leaf tea topically or consuming it can lead to clearer and healthier skin. 14. Stress and anxiety. Reduction. Bay leaf tea can reduce stress and anxiety. The calming effects of compounds like linalool can help alleviate stress, promoting relaxation and improving overall mental well-being. Nutritional benefits. Bay leaves are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, zinc, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for the proper functioning of the immune system and overall health of the body. Medicinal properties. Modern science supports many ancient beliefs about bay leaves. They are known for their digestive, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Compounds such as eugenol and linalool are responsible for many of these benefits. Who should avoid bay leaves? Pregnant women, breastfeeding women, and children under 2 years old should avoid consuming bay leaves. It is also important to be aware of potential drug interactions, so consult your doctor before adding bay leaves to your diet if you are taking other medications. Risks and precautions. Although bay leaves offer many benefits, excessive consumption can be harmful. In rare cases, excessive use can cause fulminant hepatitis. People who take many medications, pregnant women, nursing mothers, and young children should avoid consumption. Whole leaves can cause choking and even intestinal perforations. Therefore, it is recommended to remove them from dishes after cooking. How to prepare bay leaf tea. To prepare the tea, boil 4 bay leaves in 500 ml of water for a few minutes. Let it infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. You can consume the tea hot or cold, without sweetening or with a little honey if you prefer. Conclusion. Bay leaf tea can be a healthy addition to your diet, as long as it is consumed in moderation. Enjoy its health benefits and lead a more balanced life.